This video has additional critical information that people need to know about the Michael Brown case. Regarding the grand jury on the Michael Brown shooting, first of all, the role of the grand jury is to decide whether a criminal charge should be brought to trial in the first place. If Wilson is not indicted, a distinct possibility in the eyes of many legal experts, County Prosecutor Robert McCulloch has said he will take the unusual step of transparency by releasing transcripts and audio recordings of the grand jury investigation. McCulloch ordered the entire process, which has been underway since late August, to be documented, which is a highly unusual move in Missouri. Links to these articles are in the video description. Although I don't recommend the NBC article. It has a weird slant to it, omitting any witnesses that support what Officer Wilson said happened, such as the worker who said that Brown was coming towards the cop, possibly with the intent, "I'm gonna get you." As I posted in a recent comment, an update to my original video, Witness to Michael Brown shooting, dude kept coming towards the police. In addition to this witness, that I'll play right here.
Police got out and ran after him. The next thing I know, he coming back towards me. The police had his guns drawn already. Police fired shots. Next thing I know, I think he missed. The police shot him. The dude started running, kept coming towards the police.
We now hear from a worker who talked about Brown coming at the cop for 20 to 25 feet and saying one possible way he interpreted Brown's actions was, quote, "I'm going to get you," unquote. Note that this witness is saying in this video of Brown kept coming towards the cop is matched by what the worker said. Even the new statements released, staggered dead after second shot 20 to 25 feet to the ground. That's talking about coming towards the cop. So he's sympathetic towards Brown's side, yet he's another person giving testimony saying that Brown came towards the cop. I recall a lot of tantrums with this video where they angrily denied that Brown kept coming towards the cop. Now we have another account described in an odd way of staggering dead, because who walks dead for 20 to 25 feet? And if what this guy is saying is true, that Wilson was backing up, then that does help Wilson's case. And as I've been making the case in response to questions about this video, I have proven that witness statements aren't always accurate because there is a contradiction with both what the witness in the video says and the worker said compared to what Pinejay Crenshaw says. Quote, "At no time did I see him move towards the officer. He may have taken 1 centimeter of a step forward." But the worker says Brown came 20 to 25 feet. Do you understand the contradiction? And now, after many people imitating hands held high, we hear this from 2 of the witnesses. Now we learn that Johnson is now saying his hands were not that high, and that one was lower than the other. And here is what Pinejay Crenshaw now says about Brown's hands. They were just slowly going up. It probably didn't get a chance to get all the way up there before he was struck. As far as hands held up, according to his account to the Ferguson police, Officer Wilson said that Mr. Brown had lowered his arms and moved towards him, law enforcement officials said. Fearing the teenager was going to attack him, again I might add, the officer decided to use deadly force. We don't have all the facts, yet many have decided this case already. 7 or 8 African-American eyewitnesses have provided testimony consistent with Wilson's account, but none of them have spoken publicly out of fear for their safety. The Washington Post's sources said, see article, evidence supports officer's account of shooting in Ferguson, and I have a link. That's in the video description as well. And that's what I keep cautioning people. Evidence that the grand jury was looking at is going to be made public. But mainstream media and these activists are withholding information, and they're creating a distorted picture already, even on the information we do have. That's why I'm asking everyone to share this video with as many people as you can. You can use the YouTube tools to get this information out. You can boost this platform by subscribing to the Representative Press channel. Also setting your YouTube subscription to where you'll receive notices, where they'll email you when a new video is uploaded. Following Representative Press on Twitter, subscribing to the Representative Press blog. So please don't make a copy, just use the YouTube tools below. Let's see if we can get this video up to at least 500,000.